Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you 5 family history things you could do in 5 minutes. So this is if you don't think you could dedicate a lot of time to family history work. Well, these are little things you can do in 5 minutes while you're waiting in line or you're in sacrament or whenever you have a couple of minutes to spare. So the list of these 5 things are not in any particular order. It's just kind of what I pulled up first. Also, the list is in the description below along with the timestamps of where to go and links to any of the 5 items or the 5 things I listed here in this video. So number 1 is recommended tasks. Recommended tasks is a little section at the home page of Family Search. So when you first log into Family Search, up here in the top right corner, it says recommended tasks. It will pull up things such as green temples, yellow temples, blue icons, purple icons. These are just a list of things to help you do things on your family tree. If you don't know what any of these icons mean or how to attach a source or anything, there'll be a link to those videos in the description below. Number 2, adding memories. So this actually seems like it might take you a while, and it can probably take a while because you'll just get so into it. But every once in a while you could just add a photo here or a photo there, especially right when you take the photo. While you're uploading it to Facebook or Instagram, you can also upload it to Family Search right there on your phone or on your computer. It's something that's simple, easy to do, but very important so that future generations know what their grandparents and great-grandparents look like, and get to see stories about their grandparents and great-grandparents. Just get to know them and have their hearts turn to their fathers and the father's heart turn to the children. It's just one of those main big important things of family history work that kind of just get brushed off. Number 3, adding relatives. So this one is kind of a no-brainer. You add your relatives. But it's also something that gets skipped a lot. Sometimes we forget to add our aunts, our uncles, our in-laws, our cousins, our kids, or our kids' spouse, grandkids, their spouse, great-grandkids. For some weird reason, close family members tend to be forgotten to be added onto Family Search. So make sure you add them, especially while they are being born or married or getting a divorce. Hurry and add that information in while it's happening or a couple of days before or after it happens. Number 4, adding a source. If you climb your family tree or you see on your recommended task the little blue icon, that is actually something that to help you add and attach sources to your ancestors. For some reason, people think this is going to take a huge chunk of time, and it will for your first couple of times, but after your first couple of times, it gets really simple, really easy, really fast. I do this all throughout sacrament. But it's something that's really easy and really simple to do. You can do it right there on your phone or on your computer, and it takes only just a couple of minutes, but it's very important because sometimes you can find lost family members that aren't added onto Family Search, or you can find new information about your grandparents and great-grandparents or ancestors that you didn't know existed, like the date they got married or where they got married, that they moved for a couple years to Kansas and then moved back to the state you're living in now, that they served in a war. These are little things that sometimes get missed, or the information that gets missed, but it's very important to know who your ancestors are and what they've done in their life, or find missing people. Number 5, take a name. So take a name is actually here on a technicality. It is an app that does take a good fair amount of time, but it's also an app that you can close down and pull up later. So what take a name is it goes through and finds ancestors in your family tree that need temple work done. And it just pulls up this list. But it takes a while for it to pull up the list. Especially if you come from a long line of Mormons, it'll take even longer to pull up a list of ancestors that need temple work done. But the good thing about this app and the technicality of it is you can have it start looking, close the app down, and come back to another date and time. That's why it's here on a technicality. May take a while to find the names, but you can technically close the app, do a million other things on your phone or in life in general, and then come back to the app, and it will have a list of ancestors that need temple work done. And then you can just request the ordinances and print them off right there on the app. It's really simple and easy. I hope this list was helpful. Just a reminder, everything I talked about is in the description below, and links to other videos that tell you how to do them in more depth. If you guys have any questions, please comment below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any suggestions on what I should film, please also comment below, and I hope you all have a beautiful week. Bye.